Good morning. It's good to be back here once again. Today, I would like to talk about cable because sterling has been the biggest mover among the G7 currencies in the last few weeks. And with the Brexit deadline on October 31st is fast approaching, one can expect more volatility to continue slash profitability if you can get the direction correctly. So let's look at the daily chart first of all. You can see although cable hit a 1 month low of 121.96 last week, price staged a really spectacular rally in the last 2 days of last week on Thursday and Friday due to renewed market optimism of a last-minute Brexit deal between the EU and Britain to take place. So the significant price action that we saw last Friday was the break of September's high at 125.82, because this signals recent downtrend has made a low at 119.59 in September. In fact, this is a 34-month low for the cable. So what's in store in the coming weeks ahead of the October 31st Brexit deadline then? My view is that the rally that we saw last Thursday and Friday is a case of very active broad-based short covering in sterling, and unless we hear any downbeat Brexit news, one can expect more short covering rally to continue. And despite yesterday's retreat to 125.17, from the technical perspective, as long as 125 figure 10 area continues to hold, I am bullish really for the first time in several months for sterling to head higher to 128.2030 area. But unless we can see a weekly close above 128.50, I would remain neutral until the Brexit 31st deadline comes along. So my recommendation is to buy sterling on pullback towards the 125 figure 10 area or just above that, in expectation for further gain to 128.2030. And if cable closes on a weekly basis above 128.50, then the outlook would definitely improve for further headway towards the psychological 130 handle. And but unless we see a definite Brexit deal will be signed, or the Brexit extension will be made in the expectation of a Brexit deal, then 133.83 resistance is unlikely to be broken. On the downside, and it is clear, if sterling drops below the 124 figure 10 area, then this would signal the corrective rebound from 119.59 has ended. Then risk would shift to the downside for sterling to go back to 122, where a break below there would open the way back down to 120. So that's my view on cable. I remain cautiously bullish, but then profit should be taken on next leg of up move then. Good luck and goodbye.